had decided that over the weekend of the last couple of days of January, so this is actually still incorporating some of January, I decided that I needed to sort out my studio space. I think I have kind of done it in the past, but I just don't think I necessarily did it properly. So basically it get it everything out apart from the computer and like my printer that I now moved into the side. I'll talk a little bit about what I've decided to do for that, because I want to have access to my printer now a bit more than I had been doing it, because I do use the scanner quite a lot to scan things in, and it was just so much easier to be able to have it closer. And also I think I'm going to be able to make it a bit better, basically. So yeah, but you will start to see this new sort of studio layout hopefully a bit in a bit in a few more videos. But I figured I would show you the sort of aftermath of me getting rid of everything out of where it was currently stored, and also just how skeletal it looks of that. I've kind of just took everything out and strewn it across all of my living area, as you can see.
Where are you going? That's not a space for you to go. Pandora's just investigating the apparent new climbing frame. She's going to be disappointed when she realises that is going to be have stuff on it eventually. So don't get too comfortable up there, Pandora. Yeah.
Hopefully you can see me in the shot here, but this is all of my stuff from there, as you can see. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm actually going to sort all of this stuff out. I'm thinking that what I'm going to do is do them into two sorts of piles: stuff that I use on a regular basis and stuff that I don't use that often, because I want to be able to basically see what I've got, for one thing, but also see what I use more often than not. So like I've got my inks down here, for example, which I do use more on a regular basis, so I want to be able to access them rather quickly. And like my acrylic paints, for example, while I don't use them that much, there is something that I would like to be able to still access them. So I want to try and keep them all in one place, so then I can just take them down in one box and do that. They were originally up on the top of that shelf, but yeah, this is going to take a while, but hopefully you getting there. It is getting there. I did start this at about 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now what time it is? Is it computer? What's the time?
It's 3:42 p.m.
Yeah, so I've been going on a good while with this. I'm trying to do it so that I can have a bit less furniture in here.